Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see right there, steaming hot, just finished. We're doing a spaghetti with a cream, tomato, garlic and pesto sauce with mushrooms. This is really delicious, one of my favourites actually. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we're going to need. Okie dokie, let's take a look at these then. So I've got some spaghetti cooked there, get that cooked now. I've used 200 grams of spaghetti, which is usually about half a packet, a regular packet. 1 can of tomatoes, which is 400 ml. Cream, I've got just like 1 cup of cream. Now I'm using a thick cooking cream. You can use any cream you want apart from sour cream pretty much. So a thick or a thin one, up to you. I've got a big nice tablespoon of green pesto, nice tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano. I've got some Parmesan cheese, which we're going to put in just at the end, so, you know, half a cup maybe. 1 small onion, I'm using white, and about 150 grams of fresh white mushrooms. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper, and by the way, all of the amounts that you need are in the text below. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my favourite pan here, a little kind of wok that I'm using a lot at the moment. We've got some olive oil in there. We're going to add our onion and the garlic. We're on a medium heat and we're going to go for like 2 minutes. Okay, that's just a couple of minutes there. We're now going to add in our fresh mushrooms, which I've sliced. You can quarter them if you want. We're going to add that oregano, or oregano as some of you call it. Salt. Black pepper, staying on this heat for about another 3 minutes. Fantastic, I love the fact that we've got that nice golden brown on that garlic. We're now going to add in that can of tomatoes. I've chopped it, by the way, roughly chopped it up. Okay, another 4 minutes. On a medium heat. We're pretty much nearly there. Not a lot to do now. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, this is looking fabulous. Now I want to get in that tablespoon of a green pesto I'm using. You could be using a red if you wanted, I suppose. But yeah, I'm just going to go for that green one, the classic type. And we're going to go for about another couple of minutes here. Fabulous. Now time to add that cream. Like I say, I'm using a thick cooking cream, but you could be using any cream. A kind of runny one, what we call in the UK a single or a double, which is thicker. I know in America you've got half and half and all that stuff, but basically any cream will work apart from sour cream. That's looking absolutely wonderful. To that I'm going to add that lovely freshly grated Parmesan. That little mix in there. Now you've got the sauce done now. This is completely done. If you want, you can put this onto your spaghetti. I'm putting our spaghetti in. So in goes our cooked spaghetti. And I find 2 spoons work better because we now need to work this in for about 2 minutes. And then it's done. And there you go, piping hot, just finished, absolutely delicious. You've got the garlic in there, the pesto, the cream, the tomatoes, and of course the mushrooms. Very easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please also do click that bell icon for notifications. We will see you soon. Lots of love.